So I'm Dr. Saman Zishan. I'm an aesthetic doctor based in Dubai at Champs-Elysees Aesthetic Clinic. I was born in Karachi. I went to school at Mama Parsi School and went on to college at Karachi Grammar School. Later on, I went to do medicine and specialize in dermatology from Karachi. I love performing researches and I have attended many conferences where I have presented my findings, such as IMCAS Paris, Face Conference UK, and AMWC Monaco, among many others. I'm an aesthetic doctor who loves creating beauty on your faces. I perform all kinds of aesthetic treatments, be it fillers, Botox, thread lift, any kind of skin treatments such as skin boosters. And in addition to all of this, I also train doctors from all over the world to come and learn aesthetics with me. To stay updated about what's going on in the aesthetics field, firstly, I try to read a lot of journals, the newer publications. Secondly, I try to follow up a lot on social media, that what people are doing. And then I try to cross-check whether things on social media do actually have some scientific backing or not. And finally, I try to research on my own and I try to attend events and conferences where I get a chance to both do my research, present my research, and also to learn more things from my other colleagues. Some key factors which I keep in mind when I decide a treatment for my patients. Number one, what exactly the patient needs. I don't try to oversell treatments. This is a known thing. Number two, what is the skin quality? Because not every treatment goes with every skin quality. Number three, how old is my patient? Whether the treatment is suitable for their age or not. And finally, I do give a lot of concern to the patient's budget, because I believe in order to have a successful outcome, we must complete a certain number of sessions, and for that we must keep the patient's budget in mind. Oh yes, certainly. I have had a number of aesthetic treatments myself and I don't hide them from anybody. Firstly, I get Botox regularly every few months. I have a small bit of filler in my chin, a small bit of filler in my lips, and I do treatments to keep my skin good. The last thing I did was a skin booster, my favorite, Juvederm Bolite. I have done PDRN injections, which is a salmon fish DNA injection popularized by Kim Kardashian. I get a few lasers on and off, and yeah, facials here and there. That's about it. So for me, beauty is confidence. The more confident you are, the more beautiful you'll look. Now, it's a journey how you wish to be confident. Many people would feel confident without getting those lips done, but many people might have a lot of insecurities around that. Do whatever you feel that's needed to make you feel more confident. In one word, beauty is confidence for me. When it comes to the differences between the two cities, both cities are very close to my heart. When we look at people in Karachi, the trend is still not towards filling the faces too much, but people are very welcoming towards skin treatments. So whether it's microneedling, PRP, injections for skin boosting, PDRN, people are generally quite welcoming for that. In Dubai, people want to try everything. They want to go for Botox, for fillers, for threads, even surgeries. So the trend is quite different when it comes to Dubai. All people are much more aware than so many other parts of the world. They are also willing to experiment. All of this together means that we get to work with a population which is very welcoming, very warm, and very acceptable to many different kinds of aesthetic treatments. You cannot bluff them. They're very smart, they're very clever, and they are going to seek only the best outcomes always. So whenever you come to Dubai, make sure that you come and visit me, Dr. Saman Zishan at Champs-Elysees Aesthetic Clinic. I specialize in all kinds of aesthetics. Thank you.